Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the biggest stock movers on February 10th and tomorrow's earnings to check out for. Let's get straight into it. Okay, looking into Coca-Cola, it reported a quarterly earnings of 47 cents per share, 5 cents above the share estimate. The company saw a year-over-year decline in revenue, income, and case volumes, but noted sequential improvements amid a challenging environment due to the pandemic. The shares rose 1.9% in pre-market trading as of 7:46 a.m. Eastern Time. Now looking to Under Armour, it reported earnings of 12 cents per share compared to the analyst's forecast of a 7 cents per share loss. Revenue also beat estimates amid an online sales surge. The stock gained 5% in the pre-market trading. And now looking into Twitter, Twitter shares are surging in pre-market trading after the company reported quarterly earnings of 38 cents per share, 7 cents above the estimates. Also, revenues were above forecast. However, its 27% growth rate was missed by analysts' estimates. In the end, Twitter's stock jumped by 7% in the pre-market trading. And the last stock of the pre-market is Lyft. Lyft stock is up more than 10% in the pre-market trading. Lyft reported a quarterly earning of a loss of 58 cents per share, which was 14 cents a share smaller than anticipated. Revenue was above estimates as well. The company also said it could be profitable by the third quarter of this year, 3 months sooner than it previously was projected. Looking into the midday movers, shares of the legacy automaker General Motors dropped about 3.5% after the company warned that a global semiconductor shortage could take a major bite out of its earnings in 2021. General Motors' fourth quarter result beat expectations on the top and bottom lines, but the company said that the chip shortage could cost to $1.5 to $2 billion in the year ahead. Also looking into Cisco, the technology stock slid more than 4% as the company's fiscal second quarter results showed signs of enduring struggles. The company's leading product segment, infrastructure platforms, saw revenue decline down 3% year over year. Cisco also said it expects to return to growth in the next quarter, which will be longer than usual. And now looking into the aftermarket, Uber shares of the ride-hailing company slid more than 2% in extended trading hours. The company lost 54 cents per share during the quarter rather than the 56 cents per share estimate. Its revenue came in at $3.17 billion, below a forecast of $3.58 billion. The company's revenue from mobility fell 50% year over year, while delivery revenue jumped 130% from the prior year. And looking at iRobot Corporation, shares of the robotic company jumped more than 8% after the iRobot said it earned 84 cents per share, excluding items during the fourth quarter, topping a definitive estimate of 31 cents per share. Revenue came in at $545 million, while street analysts had been looking for $494 million in sales. Also, Zillow shares gained more than 7% after the real estate company's top and bottom line numbers beat analysts' expectations. Fourth quarter earnings came in at 41 cents per share, excluding items ahead of the 27% per profit analysts surveyed by Refinitiv were expecting. Revenue came in at $789 million, ahead of the expected $741 million. Wrapping up February 10th, we're looking onto PepsiCo and Walt Disney as being the biggest stocks to watch out for before and after market. Looking at Pepsi, it has an earnings estimate of $1.46 and a revenue estimate of $21.78 billion. Going on to Pepsi's current quarter, it has $1.49 EPS and a $21.8 billion sales. And looking at its stock forecast, it has a $135 low, $157 median, and a $169 high. Now moving on to Walt Disney, it has an earnings estimate of negative 41 cents and a revenue estimate of $15.93 billion. And looking at Disney's current quarter, it has an EPS of negative 34 cents and a sales of $15.9 billion. Looking at Disney's stock forecast, it has a $116 low, $192 median, and a $211 high. Those are the biggest market movers for today on February 10th and the biggest stocks to watch for on February 11th. Well, that's going to be all for this one. Let me know what you guys want next, and I'll catch you then.